Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. Today we are going to see how to solve the Play Store apps installing bending problem. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So if your Play Store apps are not installed, it has been bending. For an example, I just type as Google and I just open Google Docs. It has been saying it's bending. So how to solve this problem? So you can solve this problem by using certain method. You just go to the profile picture, click on the profile picture, go to the setting option here, click on the network and preference here. So in app download, so you just choose over any network. If it is on over Wi-Fi only, you just change to over any network. This will solve the problems. There are three options, but you just want to choose over any network. And second thing, the auto download, you just don't auto download the apps. Okay, and clicking done. So here the three options that whatever you just can't be selected here. So after this, you just want to try this option on the solution, or else you go to the setting and go to your apps. Here you just click on the manage apps. So for your phone setting, just find the Play Store and you want to clear the data. So it will, if you clear the data of your Play Store, this problem will be solved and you will have a solution. So most of the case this problem solved by using this option. So first you just change the network preference. Second thing, you just clear your data on the setting of your Play Store. Data should be cleared. Afterwards, I just searching for the same app. So I just going to search for the same app and I just going to download the app. So you can easily use these two methods to solve this bending problem on the Play Store. So it's proven working method. So you can try this. I just clicked on installing the same application. So you can see it's automatically installed. And in this case, my phone has been worked. So if you have completed the solution for this problem, just comment below if it worked.
Friends, if you find this video useful, then don't forget to click on subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends. If you want more content about Play Store tricks and tips, then follow this channel and we will meet on next video with a valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.